Do you see these two bodies? These are two bodies having equal masses. Now, in this session, I'm going to show you the relationship between force applied and acceleration. Just to look these two motions of these two bodies. The first body is this one. I'm going to throw it away. Look. Yes. After that, let's see a second body, this one. I'm going to throw it vigorously compared to the first one. Now, just look at this motion. Now, through these two motions of these two bodies, I'm going to explain to you what happens to acceleration when the force is doubled. Now, let's see. Mathematically, according to Newton's second law of motion, we say that force is equal to mass times acceleration. Now we are saying that what happens to an acceleration when the force is doubled? Now, let's take this as F1 that is equal to mass times acceleration 1. But remember, mass is constant. It means that this observation should be made to avoid having the constant mass. That's why in our demonstration here, I've used two bodies having the same masses. Now, here, acceleration 1 will be equal to force 1 over mass. Now, let's see when the force is doubled. When this F2 is equal to 2 times F1. Now it will be the same formula. Force is equal to mass times acceleration. So it will be, our force now is F2, which is 2 F1. Will be equal to, again, mass constant, mass times acceleration. This is acceleration 2. Now we expect to have new acceleration because we have doubled the force. So our acceleration 2 when made the subject will be equal to 2 F1 divided by mass. This will be equal to 2 times F1 over mass. But remember, F1 over mass is this one, F1 over mass, which is equal to acceleration 1. Now, this will be equal to 2 times acceleration 1. Oh, now we may use that. When we double the force, also the acceleration doubles. As the first acceleration we took as A1, acceleration 1. Now we have found that the second acceleration 2, is equal to 2 times acceleration 1, meaning that even the acceleration has doubled. Conclusively, we say that doubling the force, also the acceleration of a body doubles. Thank you.